I'd like to make a very special announcement in this video, and that's coming right up. Hi, I'm Roy Smith. Here's the announcement I'd like to make. Our good friend Sparky 107 is organizing a get-together for us model railroaders at Steamtown National Historic Site in Scranton, Pennsylvania. That get-together will occur on Saturday, May 18th of next year, 2019, and you are invited to come. Steamtown is a National Historic Site in downtown Scranton, Pennsylvania. The red circle on this map shows you where Scranton is located. And this map of the historic site itself comes from a National Park Service pamphlet. The historic site is run by the National Park Service and is dedicated to the role that steam railroad transportation played in American history. There's a turntable, roundhouse, and other railroad structures, a visitor center, a theater, a technology museum, and a history museum at the site. A large number of locomotives and passenger and freight cars are on display at the site. Park rangers conduct guided tours. I'll put the link to Steamtown's website down below so that you can check it out. Sparky is also talking about going to Horseshoe Curve National Historic Landmark the next day on Sunday, May 19th. Horseshoe Curve is located near Altoona, Pennsylvania, which is a 3-hour drive west of Steamtown. This is a must-see for rail fans. I'll put a link to Horseshoe Curve down below. But let's listen to Sparky himself as he announces the get-together during his live chat last Wednesday, December 5th.
Trip to Steamtown. I did one last year, had 12 people show up, like families, right? It was awesome. Steamtown in Pennsylvania, Scranton, Pennsylvania. I want to do another one. I want to get together with you guys, all of you guys. I know all of you can't come because of geographical problems like airplanes and water and stuff like that. But May 18th of 2019, I'm going to go back down to Steamtown with my camera, with my family. Ron Pisco's going to be there. Redbird Tony is going to be celebrating a birthday, and he's going to be there. I'm going to be there, and Roy Smith from Panama is going to be there. We've already talked about it for a bit, and that is the date we came up with, was May 18th, Steamtown. So I'm going to start making a list of who's all coming. Hopefully I can fill up 2 or 3 pages. The reason why I'm starting the planning now is last time I went down there, I wanted to get the big boy opened up so we could all get into the cab of it. And we weren't allowed. It's a government-run facility, right? So there's lots of red tape, lots of paperwork to fill out, and it takes time. She said it takes about 3 months to get everything organized to do that. So what I want to do this time is I want to kind of guarantee that I'm going to get 30 people there, because that's what I'm going to tell them. So hopefully everybody can come, right? I'm going to get the big boy locomotive opened up for us, because they do it on occasion, get the paperwork and stuff filled out so we can get right inside the big boy, sit in the 2 chairs, play with the levers. Well, I don't know. But hey, sit in a big boy. Awesome, right? I'm getting excited. And there is a diesel locomotive that's in the roundhouse. It's a nickel plate. I think it's a GP20 high nose. And I want to get that opened up for us too. So 2 locomotives. I want to get into the cabs. That is why I'm starting to say it now. The other thing is I want you guys to start planning on it now. Steamtown, Scranton, Pennsylvania, May 18th, 2019.
If you'd like to go, be sure to let Sparky know. He's going to post a sign-up video in a day or 2. Watch for his sign-up video. I'm going to put the link to his channel down below. While you're over there at Sparky's channel, why don't you just go ahead and subscribe if you're new there, so that you don't miss any of the upcoming announcements about the get-together at Steamtown. I visited Steamtown myself back in June 2017. I described this visit in a video about my trip to Central Pennsylvania at that time. Here's a short clip about Steamtown from the video. For the first time ever, I went to the Steamtown National Historical Site in Scranton, Pennsylvania. I got to go on a short caboose ride, and then I visited the museums. And then I went on a guided tour of the turntable, roundhouse, and machine shop. The roundhouse was packed full of steam locomotives. This Union Pacific big boy sitting on a track adjacent to the roundhouse caught my attention because I modeled the UP Evanston subdivision where big boys once climbed the Wasatch Grade. I thoroughly enjoyed my visit to Steamtown in June 2017, and I'm definitely going back for the get-together on May 18th, which Sparky is organizing. I hope you will think about going too, because one of the best things about model railroading is hanging out with others in the hobby. And in the meantime, be sure to take a look at the links down below. Well, I'm Roy Smith, and I hope to see you at Steamtown.